all the way. He's all the way from Loves Park, Illinois. That's 13J of Jeremiah Gusk. As the lights on the car corner pace car are out, the Roadrunners are getting ready. We are going heat racing here as we present it. LPT presents the world famous figure 8 trailer race. Here we go. As we're going to build up speed, your kickstart Roadrunners. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
And it's the 81 of Ken Brazy staying out front. Rodden in the second. Lundy with that 11 in the third.
Lundy, his first time out in the car. He was the first-year rookie, I should say, in the Roadrunner division, holding on to third right now.
Brazy in that 81 out front. You mentioned the 88 acts of Keegan Rogden in second. Lundy in third. That 19 car, Neitschwanger in fourth, and that 13J of Jeremiah Gus rounding off your top 5 in Roadrunner Heat 1.
I know they definitely, Crazy Ken Brazy in the 81 car would definitely be happy with a heat win here tonight, as last Saturday he brought the car out for the first time and had a lot of problems with the car. He's looked like he's got it figured out so far.
Uh-oh, there goes the 11 of Dominic Lundy. He had problems in 1 and 2. He got a little bit skittish. Lost it in 3 and 4, but he looks like he regained and will still stay green.
As Keegan Rodden is challenging Crazy Ken Brazy for the lead here. Who we got for coming around for the new leader? It's going to be Keegan Rodden.
Rodden in that 88 axe trying to hold on, but watch out for that Crazy Ken Brazy in that 81 car. Took it a little bit high in turns 1 and 2. We'll see what he's got here for 3 and 4.
Looks like Rodden's got it figured out on the inside there, Eric. As he's going to try to pull away from Crazy Ken, maybe not.
Oh, that 11 car of Dominic Lundy having all kinds of problems in turns 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That 11 car way off the pace.
Once again, Dominic Lundy, that 11 car, rookie driver in the Roadrunner division this year. It might be his second or third night out in the car. Probably still trying to get everything figured out. As we've got a battle for the lead here, well, not so much anymore, as Keegan Rodden is trying to pull away from Crazy Ken Brazy. As the white flag comes out with 1 to go, and it looks like Neitschwager is going to pull it in the pits. We've got a new third-place car.
And it's Rodden in that 88 axe. Pulling away from Crazy Ken Brazy. Making it look easy in that 88 axe. Just got to finish it up in 3 and 4. So it'll be the 88 axe of Keegan Rodden in first, the 81 car of Ken Crazy Brazy in second, and the 13J of Jeremiah Gus running up your top 3. The 19 car of Kurt Neitschwanger currently 4th, and the 11 of Dominic Lundy will round up your top 5.
Eric, a lot changed in that race. In the beginning, Crazy Ken Brazy in the 81, the lady was just going to pull away and make it look easy, and out of nowhere, that Keegan Rodden just came right up, says no way, takes the lead, ends up pulling away with a victory here in our first race.
Keegan Rodden out of Rockford, Illinois, Rockford Career College, written all over that vehicle out there. This is his first heat win of the year.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as he gets out of the car, let's give him a warm Rockford Speedway applause. It's Keegan Rodden.